Hello students, this video will help you reply to my post in the discussion forum. For example, I've posted a problem which you need to solve and post the answer to. So once you log into genetics and molecular biology paper, you scroll down under unit 3 gene transfer by conjugation. You will see problem solving on conjugation. So you can read the description about the problem and how you have to go about it. Then you click on this link, problem solving on conjugation. Clicking over here will show you the description again, and you will see this post that I have posted. So the problem is located by this link. Clicking on this link, problem on conjugation, will take you to the details of the problem. You are expected to read this problem, and then once you have solved the problem individually as well as in the group, you click on reply. Over here it says reply to problem on conjugation. You can click on this box so that you see all the options available. Over here you type your answer. If you would like to give a PowerPoint presentation, you can upload your file over here. You can drag and drop files here to add them. So I would like to see stepwise solution to the problem, which you can put up either in a document file or PowerPoint presentation and drag and drop it over here. Once you're done with that, you need to scroll down and click on post to forum. Once you post to forum, you will see that the problem is over here at the top of the screen, and your answer will be posted in this forum over here, which I can then go through. Other students from your class can then reply to your post by clicking on this reply option. In case you feel that you have made some error while entering the answer, you can edit your post. If you want to change your answer completely, you can delete your post and enter the correct answer and post it to the forum. In case other groups want to reply directly to my question, they can click on this reply option over here. What I want your students to do is go through other groups' answers as well as their own and see whether they are trying out some other methods of answering. And if you feel like giving suggestions to them, that those suggestions or remarks are also welcome. Thank you.